Oh, what do we have here? This one is titled "The Most Entitled 16-Year-Old Ever" by Police Insider.
Get the off me!
On 25th of July, 2023.
You know you done fucked up when they gotta be on you like that.
Officers were dispatched to a school in reference to a suspended student who was refusing to leave the premises.
Shh, that's one thing you ain't never had to worry about. Me was staying at school. I hated school. The fuck?
So she's walking wherever she wants. She's on the phone with mom. So she's suspended.
Okay, where are you trying to get her to?
I want her in Lippa's office. At this point now, she needs to go to the front office.
All right. All right, I'm gonna tell. This is what I'm gonna tell you, okay?
You probably need to give the phone over to Corporal so he can talk to mom, or I can talk to mom.
Either we go to the front office, or they've already said. All right, they've already said you're suspended. So if you go in that building, I'm gonna put you in cuffs.
That's crazy. Getting trespassed from the place you go to school at.
Right.
I hated school. Oh.
Stop.
So here we go.
Stop.
Get the off me!
Stop.
You just tried to punch a cop?
Get off of me! Ooh. Oh my! Get the off of me!
She's fighting a cop?
Off of me!
What the hell?
Stop.
Get the off of me! No, he's literally banging my head off!
Stop.
Get the off of me!
Stop resisting.
Get the off! He needs to get off of me, bro. I just banged the out of my head! He just got banged the fuck out of my head! Get the off of me!
Stop.
You shouldn't be acting like this, babe.
Bro, my head literally just
All right,
wrong
get on
right
your
now.
stomach.
Get the off of
Get
me!
on your
I'm not doing
stomach.
shit, bitch!
Get on your stomach.
This is why I couldn't work
He
in a
needs to get off
school.
me. He's
Get
literally-
on your stomach.
Get the off of me! He's literally banged the out of my head! Give me the off the
To see those fucking pants right there with the open sandals, like not a care in the world. And we got two of them,
ground!
three of them.
Get the fuck off of me, bro!
Thing is unnecessary.
It's the end.
It's very unnecessary.
No, my mom is calling me. Stop.
Told you were suspended. You're asked to go to the front office. You were asked to go to the front office.
Off of me.
Is she trying to bite him?
Get the off of me, bro! You're weird!
Why you not listening? You weird for not listening. They told you not to come back, stupid.
Get the off of me! No, get the off!
The girl refused to comply, and at several points struck the officer in an attempt to get him off of her.
Damn.
Oh, get the off! Get the
So we got assault on a Leo?
Listen,
Hopefully they don't give her that. She's just a kid.
stop touching
All right, get on your
You're
stomach.
literally touching me right now, dog.
Your stomach.
Off of me! I'm not going nowhere till my mom gets here, bro. What the
That's not how this works.
You need to do what he's asking.
You're doing this for no reason right now. What the
You shouldn't even been at school if you was suspended, though. But I used to love when I got suspended. I only got suspended from school one time. I got into a fight with one of my friends. And boy, I didn't want to go back. Shit. I used to love suspensions was low-key holidays to me. Shit.
fuck off of me, bro?
She out of line for this shit.
Okay.
Resisting him?
Can you get the off of me? I don't like it. I don't like it. I don't like it. Please get off me. I don't like it. I can't breathe. I please don't like it. Okay, I'll get up. Just please stop. Okay,
You made this way worse than what it had to be, babe.
get the
Put your hands behind your back.
I'm not getting on the floor. Pick me up and I'll put them behind my back. I will once I get the up.
That's not going to be a choice.
Oh my God, I'm not going on my back. He just literally handcuffed me. Standing up.
Okay, then allow him.
Okay, he's pushing me down though. I can't.
Give me your arm. Give me your
I'm
arm.
not getting on the floor. I'm standing the up.
Get me your arms.
I'm
No,
standing.
you're not getting up.
He just said I can.
That's crazy.
He's not pushing me on the ground. He's
All right, put your hands behind your back.
up. I'm gonna stand the up. What the I'm gonna do?
No, you're not.
No, I said no.
Where's his backup at? Like, this little girl whooping his ass low key.
I don't give a you handcuff me. No one's taking it that serious, nigga.
Oh. Oh.
Y'all are so
We don't have to use the N-word, guys.
unnecessary. Y'all can all leave my that was unnecessary as I was walking the lunch. You now have to put me on the ground, bitch.
That's 037. I got one detained.
Reason right now. Why are you doing that? Tighter. No one's doing anything. Bro, you're tightening it for no reason right now.
All of that, baby. All you had to do is just listen.
Oh my God. Can you loosen it? There's no reason for this.
They not supposed to be comfortable. I ain't never known the cops. And that's another thing. When have you ever yelled at a cop and they go your way? Ever.
My office.
Stop pushing me around the toilet.
No, come on.
Someone's pinching me.
I'll be able to fix it.
Someone's pinching me right now.
I'll be able to fix it in there.
No, fix it right the now.
Who the fuck are you, babe? I just want to know like Joe.
Unnecessary. I don't know what the y'all are doing. Shit school.
This should be very embarrassing for you. This should be like the walk of shame.
Go ahead.
Can't do y'all are.
You lucky I didn't see this in high school because I would have been like, world star.
Y'all arrested me for y'all so dumb.
Shortly after, the girl's mother
They got their own office and shit. I didn't know that.
arrived at the school.
Good. Alright. I'm gonna go down here, take a right, and then take a left.
Oh, now she want to be acting good and shit now that her mama there.
Soon other officers arrived on the scene to transport the girl to jail.
She about to act the fool again.
You got your pair?
Yeah. It ain't nothing like having your mama even when you do dumb shit. Or your daddy or grandma. Somebody that'll love you. Shit. What that song say by Petula Bear? Somebody love you, baby.
What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take these off you. You're gonna put your hand on top of your head afterwards, okay? That way we can put different ones on.
Is she finna take off and run?
SSG-121.
That hand on top of your head. Put it on top of your head first.
Ah, I can't stand motherfuckers that don't know how to listen.
That one on top of your head also. Or
So, you want to take your bracelets off and leave with your mom, or do you want them to go with you?
You want to take them?
What about your necklace?
Did all that. Look at the stress and the drama you didn't put your mama through. She look like such a nice lady.
Did they take it off?
yeah, they're gonna make you take all that off. I'll give it to mom.
You got some anklets?
I can't take off my
Okay, I got you. You're not gonna fall.
All that for what? What was that for?
Is that it?
Just stupid.
Those can't come off.
You better shove your nose ring all the way up in there. What? They take off the nose ring? They might. I don't know.
They probably will make you take it off.
Shove it in there.
This would be the worst feeling to see my child being arrested because they don't know how to control their motherfucking emotions. Oh my God. My foot would be so far up my kid's ass. Cause now I gotta pay for all these charges. I gotta pay for a lawyer. Oh man, yeah, you finna get their work.
You already have the PC I gave you, right?
You have anything in your pockets? What's this?
You give me apple. There's $1 in there.
Okay, fair enough. Just gonna make sure you don't have anything in your pockets, okay?
I think there's a mint in there.
A mint?
There's 2 of them.
A what?
A mint.
Like a Tic Tac or a mint?
All right, thank you guys for tuning in. Shout out to all my supporters. I love you. Let's see what she got charged with. Did she get charged with anything? Let's see.
The girl was charged with battery on a law enforcement officer. YouTube thinks you'll love the video on screen.
All right, thank you guys for tuning in. That's it, baby. If you haven't already, make sure you hit that subscribe button. Make sure you hit the notification bell so you can stay up to date with all my latest content. Also, don't forget to hit that like, comment, share button as well, as it helps the channel out tremendously. And that's it, baby. We out.